Today I'm making Memorial Day sugar cookies. First I have this red, white, and blue sugar cookies from Pillsbury. I'm going to add them onto a lined baking sheet and bake this at 350 for 15 minutes. Next I'm going to make the sugar cookie frosting, so I'm going to heat treat 6 ounces of this sugar cookie mix, so I'm going to add it to a bowl and put it in the microwave for a minute and a half. Then in a large bowl I have 1 stick of softened butter. Next I'm going to add the heat treated sugar cookie mix. Mix that up until combined. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar and mix this up. Then I'm going to add another cup of powdered sugar and mix it up. Next add 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream and mix this up until smooth. Once the cookies are cooled, I add them to a tray and I put the frosting into a piping bag, and I'm just going to pipe a swirl on each cookie. Lastly, I'm going to sprinkle some red sprinkles on top. Here's an up-close look at the cookies.